In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Data Science Capstone course from Harvard step by step so you can enroll, complete the payment, and start learning without confusion. This course is one of the most popular advanced data science programs offered by Harvard, and it's perfect if you want to apply everything you've learned into a real-world capstone project. If you're serious about building your data science career, this is a great course to add to your profile. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software and course tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard online learning platform. Most commonly, this course is hosted through Harvard's professional education partners, such as edX. Make sure you're on the official website to avoid any fake or third-party listings. Once the page loads, use the search bar and type in Data Science Capstone. Press Enter and wait for the search results to appear. In the results, look for the course titled Data Science Capstone by Harvard University. Click directly on the course title to open the full course page. On this page, you'll see detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn, the skills you'll gain, the course duration, and the prerequisites. Take a moment to review this information so you understand what the capstone involves and how it fits into your learning goals. When you're ready to proceed, scroll down slightly until you find the Enroll button. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. If you already have an account on the platform, you'll be prompted to sign in using your existing credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account by entering your email address, setting a password, and verifying your email. After signing in, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details. This usually includes your name, country, and sometimes your educational background, depending on the platform's requirements. Make sure all the information you enter is accurate, as this may be used for your course certificate. Next, you'll be taken to the payment section. Here, you'll see the course price and any available payment options. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a credit card or other supported options, and carefully enter your payment details. Double-check everything before confirming the payment to avoid any issues. Once the payment is successfully completed, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen, and usually a confirmation email as well. This email will include details about your enrollment and how to access the course materials. Now, to start the course, simply go back to your dashboard on the platform and click on Data Science Capstone from your enrolled courses list. From here, you can begin watching the lectures, working on assignments, and progressing through the capstone project at your own pace. That's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in Harvard's Data Science Capstone course, and you're ready to start learning. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.